My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about Stellar XLM, friends. Currently at this time live, a lot of people message me on Instagram, a lot of people, that what should we do, the farming of the XLM coin or again starts now. Please make us a better decision for us, friends. So as you know, I can't reply everyone at this time, friends, but I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscribers, that what is the best decision for all of you on the basis of technical analysis, friends. So keep watching this video till the end, friends, and if you are a holder of XLM, so please make sure to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates about Stellar XLM, friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Stellar XLM in the market. 0.553599 USD dollar is the current price of XLM coin, friends. And if we talk about the price change occur in Stellar XLM, so absolutely there is a good chance it occur, but unfortunately in the last 1 hour the price change gone wrong, friends. Last 1 hour change is about negative 0.08%. If we talk about the last 1 day, the last 1 week change, both changes are positive, friends. Let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the last 1 day, friends. As you can see here, at this period the findings occur in XLM coin, friends. At this period, friends, now if you look the previous period of XLM coin, so as you can see here, at this time they take a jump fast down for a little time and again take a jump, friends. As you can see here, that's and on this point and this point the fast occur in Stellar XLM, friends. So that is why what should we do at this time, friends? A lot of people confused to make a decision for us. If we look the price change occur in the last 1 day, so the change is in positive. 3.86% change occur in XLM in the last 1 day, and the highest price is about 0.574542 USD dollar is the highest price of the XLM coin, friends. So now what should we do at this time, friends? A lot of people ask me this question as the best time to buy, sell or hold XLM coin. So I think it's the best time for all of you to hold your coin, because you are also at this time in the profit. If we look the last 1 day change, so they are positive, but now unfortunately only the last one will change as for negative, friends. So we can't take a decision on the basis of only last 1 hour change. We have to look and this is a temporary fast. As you can see here, at this point they fast down for the 1 hour, same like that. At this time after fast there is again jump, and now at this time they again fail. So don't do this mistake at this time. Don't sell your coin in this time, friends. I think it's the best time for all of you to hold your coin. What's your opinion about Stellar XLM? Please share your opinion in the comment box, friends. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Stay connected with us for more news and updates.